Hello everyone. We shall start Flask Routing and Views today. Routing in Flask define how URLs map to functions, allowing users to navigate different packages in a web application. This tutorial will cover everything you need to know about Flask routing, including dynamic routes, URL converters, query parameters, redirects, and error handling. Number one, understanding routes and URLs. A route in Flask is defined by using app.route decorator. This is a decorator, as I told you in the previous lesson. It maps a specific URL to a function that returns a response, usually HTML or JSON. Basic routing example. Create a app.py file and add the following code. From Flask, import Flask app is equal to Flask within bracket underscore name underscore, then at app.route within bracket within quotes, then slash def home function. Here function is defined. Return welcome to the home page at app.route within brackets within quotes slash about static URL def about return this is the about page. If underscore name underscore equal to within double quotes underscore main underscore app.run debug is equal to true. I will better make it debug is equal to false or something. Okay, without so avoid the uh, warning. So what's next? How it works? App.route slash maps the home page to http colon double slash 127.0.0.1 colon 5000 to the home function, and app.route within quotes slash about maps slash about, that is http colon this localhost, then port number 5000, then slash about to the about function. Run the script to open this URL in your browser, and you should see welcome to the home page. So let's try it. Go here, copy, then I shall go to terminal, then cd tutorial, cd flask, then mkdir 002, cd 002, then code dot. So here we shall open, we shall create a new file. Before creating a new file, control backtick, that is Python 3 hyphen m venv. So it has created the venv. Now, now I shall create that new file. Okay, before that, I shall use, I shall use source venv slash bin slash activate. Okay, now it's activated as we have seen before. Now, new file. What is the name of the new file? App.py. And here we pasted the example I have written before. Save it. From Flask, import Flask. App is equal to Flask. name, that is then app.route within bracket, within quotes. What is Visual Studio would like to access files on a network volume? Allow. Then def home, return to welcome to the home page. App at app.route decorator for about, this is static URL. Def about, this is about page. This is root URL, this is this one, and every time we shall write this one. Better I shall remove it here from here. Save it again. And so it will run, this part will run when we are running directly. And here you see we are running app.py directly. Python, sorry, I shall type it here. Python 3 app.py. Sorry, Python 3 app.py line 1. What is problem? What is the problem? It's not showing here. Okay, I may know the reason. That is Python select interpreted global. This is recommended. Okay, now type it here. Python app. No, menu found, no module. Flask. Okay, pip. I forget it. Pip install Flask. So after that, I shall run Python 3 app.py. App run. Okay. Do not use this. Use development server. Do not use this production with this. Okay, let this warning coming. So welcome to homepage. I'm making it bigger. And if we use about here /about, then this is the about page. Look how fast it's running. This is Python's beauty. Python Flask beauty. Creating dynamic routes. Static routes are useful but limited. Often we need to handle dynamic routes where a part of the URL changes based on user input. Example, passing a username in the URL at app.route decorator within quotes /user slash, then within angular brackets there is a name, def user underscore profile within bracket name colon return f string. I'm sure you know f string. Then within quotes hello comma then name dot capitalize. So what is the name? This is here and this is from the here. Okay. So if you visit this one /user/John, it will display hello John. Let's go to here. I shall add it to my server. Here, add it to my server, and you see here is get about. Okay, no problem. /user user. What is that? Users or user? User, not users. John. J-O-H-N, not G-O-H. Yes, not found. The request was not found on the server. If you entered URL manually, please check your spelling and try again. Let's try that, rerun that server again. Say Python app.py and refresh it. Yes, hello John. So we need to refresh that one because our Flask won't replace it by itself. Every time you do one example, you learn something better. Okay, now this one, slideshow. Flask provides URL converters to enforce specific data types in dynamic routes. Converter is int of type variable. This matches integers only, post, then /10, then float variable that matches floating numbers, price 99.99, path colon variable matches full paths, that is files slash images slash logo.png. This is way, in this way. Then UUID colon variable. So variable is of type UUID. This matches UUID string. If you don't know what is UUID, thus it's a unique string. We can use it for creating IDs of different things in our database. Example, using URL converters. App.route within quotes slash post int post ID. So post ID will be of integer type. Now show post function, def show post ID. You get that post ID from here. Return app within fstring within quotes displaying post with ID within curly braces post underscore ID. Now at app.route within bracket within quotes slash price slash within angular brackets floats colon amount def show price amount return f string the price is colon within uh, within curly braces within then dollar within curly braces amount. Okay, this is the amount. Now app.route within bracket within quotes file slash path file path. Then show file underscore path return requested file path. Please note one thing that all the requests we are sending here, all the routes, those are for the GET request. Okay, how it works? Post /10 displaying post with ID 10, only accepts integer, price slash 99.99 displays price, then $99.99 only accepts floats and files, then slash docs slash report.pdf. This displays requested file docs slash report.pdf. This accepts full paths. So let's use it. Use everything here, copy them and paste them here. Then as you know, we need to come out from here, then restart it. Go here, welcome to home page. Then what's there? It's first is post /10. Let's copy and paste it here. Yes, displaying post with 10. Next one, price 99.99 here. The price is $99.99 and here copy the path. This is the file path type. Then write it here. Requested file docs/report.pdf. Okay. Slide bar. Go to next. Handling query parameters. Query parameters are added to URLs using question mark key is equal to value, then ampersand, key2. This is key, this is key2 is equal to value 2, the second value. Flask can extract these parameters using request.args. Example, handling search queries. From Flask, import request at app.route within bracket, within quotes, slash search, def search query is equal to request args get within bracket, within quotes q is extract the q parameter. If query, return f string within quotes search results for within curly braces query. Otherwise, return no such query provided. If we use this one, then if you use search question mark q is equal to Flask, it displays search results for Flask. This query or set q. Okay, next search question mark, then uh, Python plus web. Q Python plus web displays search results for Python, then space web plus web. It means that it gives that page. Search without Q parameter displays no search query provided. So let's try it. Copy here. Now paste it here. Save it. Coming out from here. Run it. Now go to that web. Welcome to home page. Good, very good. Now what to search? This one. Copy. The search results for Flask. You see where Q is equal to Flask. Then write it there. Copy. Instead of Flask, I'm using this. It shows me Python space web. Two things. And without the Q parameter. Without the Q parameter, this search no query provided. If we use something like Q, search here, question mark, just no such query provided also. Okay, so you understand how it works. Always try to experiment with this. Slideshow. Next one, redirects and error handling. Redirecting users. Flask provides the redirect function to send users to a different URL. From Flask, import redirect at app.route within bracket, within quotes, slash old page, def old page, return redirect new page, then app route new page, then new page, return this is the new page. Okay, is there anything? No. So we shall try this out again. Old page and new page. Copy. Then go here. Then type or paste it here. Save it. Now Control C. Then run again. Yes, this. Then I shall use new page. Not found. What I need to say, most probably, this will be hyphen. Yes, this is the new page and old page. Let's do it. Old page. Internal server error. What is that? Why internal server error? New page. Redirect. New page. Okay, it's not working because we need to use something that is server error. Flask import from Flask import redirect. Okay, copy this one. I forget to copy that one. From Flask import redirect also. Or make it here. Save it. So from Flask import Flask comma redirect. So come out from here, here, again, go here, old page. And it goes to the new page already because it redirected here. I shall try again. I shall try again. Old page. Yes, it redirects to new page. So you got it. Next. Using URL for redirects. Instead of handling URLs, use URL for. From Flask, import URL for. So app.route within quotes slash go home. Now def go home. Return redirect URL for home. What is home? Home page or home function. It's here. Actually, it calls that function. So let's try it. First, we need to import URL for here, copy, then paste it here at top, URL for. Now I implement this. Go home, go, go home. Somewhere there. Yes. Paste it here, save it, come out from it. Now Python 3 again. Now run this. Now here slash go home. So welcome to home page. It goes to that home. Okay, actually it's calling that go home for home. It's calling this one home. This I have tried it with my home, my underscore home. And here I should try it out my on this. Oh, sorry, home. Save it. Come out from here. Run it. Then go home. Okay, it's working. So whatever function you define for the root of go home, it uses that URL for uses that where is there URL for redirect for this one for my home. This is the function name. Okay. Now close this and this come out from this and here I shall go to slideshow, then go here, go here, Flask table 4, okay, next one. That is 404 and 500 error pages. By default, Flask returns generic error messages for 404 not found and 500 internal server error. You can customize them using app.errorhandler. But we'll use custom 404 page, that is at app.errorhandler within bracket 404, then def page not found error, then you can send that HTML code there and it will perfectly run this one, and then comma 404 and custom 500 page error handler 500 def internal server error return this 500 internal server error. Okay, let's try both of them. There is an Flask will display the error message. Okay, let's try it out. This one, copy, then go here and here also copy class. Now I shall try Python F3, then here go home page, then I shall try where there isn't any page A B C D. Okay, 404 page not found. It's our custom. Now how do we show you the internal error? I'm trying this. Let's remove that one. Redirect. Save it. Come out from here. Run it again. Go here. And here try to go to the new page. New page. Okay, this is a new page. Now go to the old page. It uses the redirect to go to new page. Okay, let's try. 500. This is the internal server error. This is our message. This is our custom message. So we have done it. Okay. Next, go to slideshow. Complete Flask routing example. From Flask, import Flask, request, redirect, URL for. We have seen complete. We have done this. This one. We have done this one also. And key takeaways. Routes map URLs to functions. Dynamic routes allow user input in the URL. Use URL converters to restrict data types. Query parameters allow flexible data handling. Redirects help manage outdated URLs. Custom error pages improve user experience. That's all for now. Thank you.